this Kidsoft video, I will show you how to configure and set up your database for New South Wales Digital Hub. To start with, you will need to ensure that in your service details menu, you will have your service approval number. This will start with SE. So if this is not entered into your database, you will need to obtain that number and enter it in. The next important step, you will need to ensure that each child has a parent consent form uploaded onto the Documents tab. This allows the data to be passed through to Digital Hub. So now we're going to go to a child's details page, click on the Documents tab, and you will need to click to upload the document. So you're going to select the document, and in the type, you need to ensure that you use the system type, parent consent. So this child has already got one as an example here. This is where you will also need to upload the declaration and consent for Start Strong and an exemption certificate if applicable. Again, these are all system types that must be used. Please do not use your own custom types as they will not pass through to Digital Hub. A tip on how to view all of the current consent forms and any that are outstanding. If you click on your service menu and under kindergarten, you're going to click on kindergarten children. You will land on the existing current year. You can either search for a specific consent type or you can leave the type search free and click search. This will then identify the date that has been uploaded against each parent consent, declaration and consent, or exemption certificate. You can pop this in a CSV for a better view and filtering. So if we do go just and select the parent consent, you can see now that we can see that we've got one child outstanding for that parent consent. One thing to point out when uploading those documents, it is important that you're entering the date signed by the guardian on the document, because this is the date that filters through to Digital Hub. On the child's details page under the kindergarten tab, and if you click on the kindergarten checklist, there's also a checklist of what has been completed and uploaded for that child. So if kindergarten has been enabled for that child, the parent consent, exemption, and the fee relief declaration and consent.